How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. So first and foremost, it could be a possibility of outdated applications. All you have to do is to go hit your app store and make sure to look for WhatsApp Messenger here. And if you see an update button, click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, once updated like this, you can now go to settings. So you can go here and scroll all the way down up until you see the WhatsApp here. Click on that and make sure that you have given an access to your microphone, because that might be the problem why you cannot send a voice message on WhatsApp. Now, if you have turned that on and still have that problem, what you can do is to go here to your WhatsApp application, and then here scroll all the way down. Before that, go to settings, scroll all the way down up until you see help here. Click on help and tap on help center. After that, what you're gonna do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see contact support. Click on contact support here, and all you have to do is type your problem or explain your problem there. So basically, you can go here, voice message. So as you can see here, it will look like this. I can't send a voice message. Please help. Thank you. And then tap on send via email. So by clicking on next here on the upper right here, you acknowledge WhatsApp may review diagnostic performance information. Basically, your information about your application, about what's in your app, what's going on to your app, why do you have that problem, and basically they will fix that for up to 48 hours, and basically that will fix your problem. And that's how you fix WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.